Hello guys, welcome back to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Today our lecture is about the constituents of the ordinary Portland cement, the components of which the ordinary Portland cement is made up of. So in this lecture I will describe the constituents and their notation and their percentage, how much in percentage they are present in the ordinary Portland cement. So let's come to describe one by one. The first component is the Tricalcium Silicate. Tricalcium Silicate. It's being represented by C3S. Tricalcium 3 is the tri. Calcium is the calcium here represented by C, and silicate is represented by S. So Tricalcium Silicate, and their percentage is almost 30 to 50%. The more in percentage used constituent of the cement is Tricalcium Silicate. This is the most percentage used in the construction of the cement, in the manufacturing of the cement. The second one is the Dicalcium Silicate. Dicalcium Silicate. It is the dicalcium. The two here for the dicalcium silicate, and it's present in 20 to 45 percentage, almost 20 to 45. There is no exact percentage how much it is present in the cement, but this is the general range of these constituents, how the cement is made up of these elements, of these complexes. The third constituent is the Tricalcium Aluminate. Tricalcium Aluminate. It's been represented by Tricalcium Aluminate is represented by A. So this is the notation of the Tricalcium Aluminate, and it's present in the quantity of 8 to 10%. 8 to 10%. This is the third most used constituent in the manufacturing of the cement. The fourth one is the last one. It is Tetracalcium Aluminoferrite. Ferrite, being represented by C4AF. It means tetracalcium. The fourth is used for the tetra. Calcium C is used for the calcium. Aluminoferrite A is used for the alumino, and the F is used for the ferrite. So tetracalcium aluminoferrite, and they are present in the least percentage of in the cement, 6 to 10%. So this was the general range of these constituents present in the manufacturing of the ordinary Portland cement. And so this was all about this lecture, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.